Welcome to the best picks. The best gray leather repair is probably one of the most sought-after products for those who own and cherish gray leather goods. From luxurious sofas and armchairs to stylish jackets and bags, this video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect kit to restore your valued possessions to their former glory, covering everything from identifying the type of damage to applying the repair products effectively, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. Number 5. Leather Repair Patch. It's the perfect solution for repairing damaged leather. Easily fix tears, scratches, and holes, restoring your furniture to its former glory. This repair tape comes in a convenient 3 by 60 inch size, easily cut to fit any repair. Its soft, smooth texture blends seamlessly with your existing leather. Made from high-quality leather, it's durable and waterproof. It's strong enough to handle even the toughest repairs, making your furniture look brand new. Simply clean the area, cut to size, peel, and stick. It's that easy to renew your favorite furniture pieces. Use it on sofas, car seats, jackets, almost anything leather. It's versatile enough for all your repair needs. We offer over 20 classic colors to match your furniture perfectly. Contact us for color matching assistance if needed. What we like? It's a long and versatile roll, so you can easily cut it to the size you need. The application is simple and requires no special tools. This makes it perfect for various projects, from furniture to car interiors, and even DIY crafts. If you need a large, adaptable solution for multiple repair jobs, this is the one for you. What people say. The adhesive on this tape is incredibly strong. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, without any signs of peeling or lifting. It withstands daily use, including sliding on and off the couch and constant movement in the car, without any issues whatsoever. The generous 3 by 60 inch dimensions provide ample coverage for larger areas of damage. A single piece is often sufficient, saving both time and money. Another standout feature of this leather repair tape is its seamless blending ability. The color and texture match the original leather remarkably well, making the repaired areas virtually indistinguishable from the rest of the surface. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking faded or scratched? Our leather recoloring balm can help restore its beauty. It's available in 16 popular colors to perfectly match your existing leather. This balm isn't just for furniture, it works on car seats, boots, jackets, and more. Easily repair surface damage and restore color to your leather goods. From fixing cat scratches on your sofa to reviving your antique car seats, it has many uses. See how it can transform your leather items. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal after rigorous testing. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. We're confident you'll love the results, but if not, we offer a money-back guarantee. Our experts are also available to answer any questions you may have. Before applying, test your leather's absorbency with a water drop test. Watch the video for detailed instructions if you need help. What we like? This balm has received the Good Housekeeping seal, meaning it's been rigorously tested and proven effective. It's ideal for restoring color to faded or scratched leather, giving your furniture a renewed look. The money-back guarantee shows their confidence in the product's quality. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality solution with a guarantee, this is the best choice. What people say. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter. It applies nice and smooth. Works great, just need to be mindful that it will change the color of contrasting stitching. The cleaner and the conditioner worked excellent. Number 3. Cindy's Leather Repair Tape. It's made of high-grade leather, meeting EU environmental standards. It's safe, durable, and perfect for restoring your belongings. No heat, ironing, tools, or sewing is needed. Just peel and stick it for a quick and easy fix. It easily covers rips, holes, burns, scratches, and stains on leather, vinyl, and more. It's also great for crafts. Use it on sofas, car seats, handbags, and more. Bring your favorite furniture back to life. Simply cut it to size and apply to a clean surface. It's waterproof, wear-resistant, and provides a smooth finish. Each roll is 60 inches long. We offer 24/7 customer service, so don't hesitate to contact us with any questions. What we like. Made with high-grade leather, it offers a durable and long-lasting repair. It's incredibly user-friendly, you don't need any special tools or skills to apply it. This makes it a convenient option for quick fixes and simple repairs. If you value convenience and a high-quality finish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The self-adhesive backing made it super easy to apply, and the black color blended seamlessly with the leather. It sticks well and covered up the worn-out spots perfectly, giving the chair a refreshed look. Sticks really good matches good ease use easy cutting. Es grueso, trae una buena capa de pegamento. Se amolda perfecto. Number 2. MastaPlasta Leather Repair Patch. Don't throw it away. These patches instantly repair tears and holes in leather, vinyl, and more. It's a quick and easy fix for your favorite things. Simply peel and stick. The strong adhesive ensures a neat, seamless repair that lasts. It's that easy. From sofas and car interiors to bags and jackets, these versatile patches work on various materials. They even adhere to wood, metal, and plastic. The breathable material and light reflecting surface help the repair blend in perfectly. It's designed to be flexible and durable. For over a decade, we've been providing an easy, affordable, and sustainable way to repair damaged items. It's the perfect solution for DIY home repairs. What we like. It provides an immediate solution for damaged leather, offering a quick and effective repair. Its versatility extends beyond leather, adhering well to other materials too. The superior quality ensures a seamless and long-lasting repair. If you need a fast, versatile, and high-quality repair solution, this is the one. What people say. The patches were darker brown than they appeared on the Amazon site, and they were a very good match to the color of my sofa. The final appearance when installed integrated well with the background leather of the couch, and the patches weren't noticeable to the casual observer. This product was a perfect match. Great product with the look of leather. Easy to apply. Durable. It adhered to the other leather going over the top of it even though we had to cut some partial pieces. All is well. My purse looks amazing. Number 1. Numola Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to unsightly tears and scratches on your leather furniture. This innovative patch is self-adhesive and easy to apply, making repairs quick and simple. It comes in an 8 by 11 inch sheet, easily cut to any size or shape you need. Choose the color that best matches your furniture for an invisible repair. This isn't your average repair kit. It's designed with a strong adhesive and a texture that seamlessly blends with most leather types. Just peel and stick. Made from a soft, durable material, it's waterproof, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. It's the perfect solution for long-lasting repairs. From couches and car seats to bags and jackets, it can repair a variety of leather items. It's also great for DIY projects. Unsure which color to choose? Send us a picture of your furniture, and we'll help you find the perfect match. What we like. This patch is designed to blend seamlessly with your existing leather, providing an invisible repair. Its strong adhesive ensures a secure and long-lasting hold. The durable material guarantees that the repair will withstand daily wear and tear. If you prioritize a flawless, long-lasting repair that's virtually invisible, this is your best option. What people say. I bought this to repair a Michael Kors handbag handle. They are famous for fraying. The handle is about 1.5 wide and is made of saffron leather, so it is sturdy leather. I wrapped the handle and it has held up so well that I felt the need to write a review several years later. It is a soft kind of leathery feel now. I actually prefer it to the original handle. It is thin, soft, and almost melts together. I bought this patch to repair an unsightly patch on my armchair. I was happy to see the patch covered the whole area and that it sticks very well. No cutting or measuring was involved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.